Hi, man. Happy birthday. How I wish I could be there with you to celebrate your birthday, to celebrate your special day, I mean. And hopefully soon, we could spend your birthday together. And I hope that this video makes you smile. Kahit konti. And since I didn't have anything to give, but it's always the thought that counts naman, mahal, you know. You know, I don't have work to I don't have work, so I don't have money to buy anything. But by the way, since I can't send any gift there in Sweden since it's mahal, I just bought a special cake for you. You see, it's ganda. Personalized naman. Oh, what else can you say? I really exerted effort with that. And of course, I will also eat your share. And also, since I have a candle, I have a candle here. So, what else would I do with the candle? Of course, I will, I will light this. And, ano naman kasi shock naman. And since you're not here to make a wish, let me just make a wish for you.
Sing.
Hmm?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. First, let me sing happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Nga. Marami kisses. And now, since it's time for me to make a wish now. I just wish that may God bless you and our relationship always. And of course, may you have good health as always. So you will be malakas. You will be malakas, mahal. And even though you're tumaba, I still love you pa rin. And I will always be. And I always will forever. And syempre, of course, mahal kita sobra. Then, let me just blow the candle for you. Happy birthday! Mwah. Love you! Sarap! I will eat this now. This is your share. Sarap. Bye-bye. I'll eat it all. Love you! Mahal kita sobra! Mwah.